Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I just received this package. This is basically a camera, a webcam. Yeah. So I ordered this more than 1 week ago. Okay, let's open. Okay, so this is it. This is a C930 webcam, ultra wide angle from Logitech. How come this box looks like a fake box? I don't know. I don't know, Logitech. It's Logitech, but this is the first time that I've seen a kind of box like this from Logitech. Is it original or fake? I bought it $98. Normally the price is around more than $100. Yeah. How is this? I still sealed here. Okay. So what is this? Yeah, Logitech Webcam C930 setup guide. And the wire is long, so this is the camera basically. Yeah, a wired camera, a webcam. It looks top a little heavy. Yeah. What else is in the box? Oh, there's something like this. This maybe is just a clip. I don't know what is this for. What? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, that is all you're going to find in the box. So it says here that it is compatible to MacBook, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Skype for Business, high-speed USB, Cisco compatible. Okay, what is in here? There's a coverings here. Okay. Oh, this is a clip. What is this? Oh. Okay, in here you can see that there is a space for the tripod. Nice. And you can do a slide like this. So basically like that, yeah. It's a HD 1080p Logitech USB. So if you open the manual, of course you're going to see the parts of the manual like this, that, and for you to start, you need first to download. As you can see, the setting up your webcam, place your webcam, connect your webcam, and then you need to download optional software. It is optional, so you don't need to download. You don't necessarily need to download it, but of course it will help if you download that. So that's what I did, and I went to the website, and yeah, I basically went to the website and typed the address that is written there, and it goes straight to the App Store. And from the App Store, you're going to see the C930 webcam app. So when you go to the App Store, you're going to see this Logitech camera setting, and you just need to download that and open, and this will come us out. So basically this is the control for the camera. You can zoom in using this, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and pan side, pan on the side. Yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, this is the camera. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at the camera, mate. Yeah, so basically that's me. Yeah, this is the first time that you see me, huh? So how beautiful is that? Nice color, right? Okay guys, so we are now using the C930e webcam, and I'm going to show you around. So basically I'm using the C930 webcam and also the audio of this webcam. Let's have a look outside, and this is how it is. Yeah, it's not clear because of the because of the glass and the screen. So let's just walk around the house, and this is how it is. Sorry, it's a messy thing here.